Mommy's name is
Whispy Sugar Puff.
Sarah. So she couldn't with. So I want to show you something really cool. You know, as a movie, we're gonna probably get that. Look it. These are all the other go. I got Whispy Sugar Puff, and these are the switchy hair go. But her hair doesn't really switch. I mean, stretch like this. It's touching my arm. So I am gonna probably open it up, and and then you guys can take a closer look.
Liz, you don't need to cut the box. Just cut these things off of her head. See? Just cut those. There you go. There you go.
Oh, let's see here. I don't want to cut our dress.
Good girl.
Cut.
Yep, that one's already cut. Just cut the ones by her feet.
So who is Whispy? Oh, I don't know. Oh my gosh.
Whispy Sugar Puff.
So look at she has like me like she's swimming like she's hanging here. So she's really cute. And you know what? She could shake her head. Let me get a little. I'll see if I can find one.
Just do a review on this one. Let's see. Look at her hair.
So this is the hair.
What's her hair made out of?
Cotton candy, and I just had a little bit of cotton candy,
And she also comes with a little birthday pet.
I know.
Can you get her out?
Yeah, but first I just need to show her a little bit more, because you know what? Look at how tight. Look at how tight. They're like Santa. Well, not Christmas today. I already made a Christmas video. If you guys saw that video, you can go check it out again. So let's just get out the pen now, okay? Guys, I just get it. Whoa, this looks like it's all. Let's just cut that slip right there. And she's really cute. So let's take a quick. So this is her on the back. I mean on the side. And here's her pet on the other side. That's really cute. So this is probably at Target, if you guys know. And I'm going to show you a closer look. This is the CD. And you know that one just looks like the one is this one on the back. It comes with a little. This is the one I really wanted. But maybe I'll get it for Christmas probably. Or next Christmas. Or someone could give it to me. Well, I think she's kind of cute. Because I think you could pull her hair down. Because she has a... I'm forgetting everything. I'm losing my mind. Okay. Going for some marshmallow rabbit. So she's not. Oh, hair is not really sweaty. Wait, the other ones are not really sweaty. Oh, it's not sweaty. These are actually the sweaty little Lalaloopsy. This is the sweaty little Lalaloopsy figurines. So these are all that you guys can collect. And I got the one. So bye everyone. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And happy Easter.